Hello everyone, welcome to Wyoming.com customer support walkthrough on identifying spam emails, adding and removing approved or blocked senders, and adjusting your spam filter settings. Let's get started. When receiving an email from Wyoming.com, as we see here, it is important to remember that Wyoming.com will never send an email asking you to click on a link or button. Wyoming.com will also only send from one of three addresses: sales@wyoming.com, support@wyoming.com, and billing@wyoming.com. In this example email, you can see that it 1 contains a button that it is asking us to click on, and 2, the email is coming from no reply at wyoming.com, so we have two major faults already. If we are still unsure, we can check the return path of the email by clicking here in the upper right-hand corner of the email preview screen. This will notify us of the true sending location of the email and tell us if this is truly coming from wyoming.com. As you can see here, the return path shows no reply at wyoming.com as the return path, while this example matches the from address. A lot of spam emails will show a different address in the return path than was shown in the from field. These are a few of the good rules of thumb to quickly identify spam senders. Now we will cover how to add these senders to your spam senders list. In order to add a spam sender to your spam senders list, you will need to exit out of the return path box so you are back at the email preview screen. If you click on the sender's email address, it will open a list of options of what to do with the address. From here we can click on Add to Spam Senders List, and this will add it to the email's blocked senders list. Next, we're going to go over how to add and remove approved or blocked senders. In order to make these changes, we'll first need to click on the gear wheel on the left side of the screen, shown here. Then we will need to go to Spam. From here we can add or remove approved or blocked senders to the email account. To add an email address or domain to the Trusted Senders list, we will need to click into the text field under the Trusted Senders label, and we can enter the email or domain that we would like to approve. In this example, we can add sales@wyoming.com. This will let the email server know that any emails that come from this address are accepted and should be delivered. Alternatively, we can also add addresses into the spam senders field to stop emails from coming to the email account. As the example shows, we enter the email spam sender at badguy.net, and once we are done entering the email, same as the approved senders, we click the add icon to save the change to the account. If an address was added by mistake, or if we want to remove an address from either of these lists, we can do that as well. In order to remove an entry, simply hover over an address that you would like to remove and hit the trash icon at the end of the row. Once you click on the trash icon, the system will confirm with you if you want to delete the entry. Hit the delete button to confirm and the entry will be removed. We can do this for all entries that no longer need to be listed as approved or spam senders. Some companies who send out mass emails may be flagged as spam senders, such as newsletters or mailings. If you are not receiving an email that you expect, it can be helpful to add the company's email address into your approved senders, and this may help resolve the issue. To adjust the spam filter settings, we simply need to scroll up, and all of our adjustment settings can be found here. Starting from the top, we can turn the spam filter on or off with this little check mark. Next, we can adjust the sensitivity of the spam filter. We can set this to light, standard, or aggressive. The higher the setting, the harder it will be for spam emails to come into the mailbox. This may also affect legitimate emails from coming into the mailbox, so if this becomes a problem, simply turn the sensitivity down and this should resolve the issue. Lastly, we can determine what we want to do with the spam after it has been assessed. We can have it deleted once the message has been marked as spam. We can tag and deliver the email, which will mark the message as spam and deliver it into your mailbox. Or we can have the email quarantined, which will move the spam email into the spam folder. This has been the Wyoming.com customer service team. If you have any further concerns that we have not answered in this video, please give us a call at 1-800-588-3304. Our customer service team is open Monday through Friday from 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. and we're also open Saturday and Sunday from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Have a fantastic day.